Hi everyone. So today I have this big set to share with you. It's a very large packaging here from Die and Press. It is the Nature Scenes die and stamp kit set that they have brought to HSN ahead of the August 13th craft day. So let's open this guy up. So they did send this item free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So thank you for using those. Again, with YouTube and HSN, you know, maybe you're watching this in the distant future, I don't know, but there should be a little shopping bag in here that might say shop products or see products or the word shop down under the video title, somewhere around there. But I always have them in the description box too. So, oh my goodness, look how big these are. I had no idea. You know, when you see a little image real quick of like the shape of these, because they're on HSN right now, you can see them. They don't have examples yet, so it's hard to tell how big these guys are. Wow, so let's check this out. So again, you know, with Die and Press, they include some tools for you guys, 2 sticky sheets, the applicator, and some information on how to use those for your die cuts. You have the cutting folder for the marquee. Now, of course, if you do not have a marquee, you can run your thin metal dies through any machine that cuts thin metal dies. And then, of course, our stamps and dies. These are acrylic stamps. And let's check this out, because I know people have questions about that a lot of times. The materials, Nature Scenes, instruction sheet. So you have a stamp and then the die that'll help you cut that. And then look at the tree line. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have a little like sun or moon or whatever it is that you want to play that up. Little pine trees with the die, like some wind, some little accent pieces here. You have the beautiful little poppies and like lavender, a beautiful little flower. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And then you have the dies for them. An arch kind of window, really cool like hexagon shape there. And then on the back side they're showing that you have this label die, which look at that. How great is that for so many different stamps that you have. You have wishing you mountains of wellness, oh, sending you mountains of love, your friendship is the best adventure, mountains of thanks. It looks like they're going to be distressed, because that's how it looks like they're showing them here, so that's really cool. That means the stamp itself has like a distressed look to it. Congratulations on summiting success. Wishing you peace, love, and fresh air. Wildly grateful. And then like little accent pieces that are like, or stamps that are like the clouds and little birdies. And so you can see here, I mean, look at, oh, I love the colors they use. That's really pretty. Really cute. So it's like a little window with your scenery. Adorable. Okay, so honestly, the inspo makes it like, I don't know if I can match the inspo as nice as those are. So cool. So again, here's everything. So we can kind of have an idea of how big those things are. These are geared, it looks like, for an A2 size card, which is really great. But again, you saw the slim line. They just kind of cut this in pieces, you know, however you want. So let me get you some measurements. So metal to metal, yeah, it's just about 5 1/8, a little over that. So it's actually going to cut the layer that's 5 inches wide. And the height's like 4 1/8 or so. And then these are kind of similar, right? And everything else is a little bit smaller than that. So let me grab some paper and we'll get started. I want to see how these layer. So I'm going to cut that, not cut it, but just pop it out and see just about how that fits behind there. Okay. Just want to see what they have here as far as the imagery on that. Yeah, you can bring it down or higher. Obviously, you can play with that a little bit. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm going to make our card base, and I think I'm going to do this one a little bit different. I'm going to cut this at 4 1/4 inches and then score it at 5 1/2 in the other direction. So 4 1/4. Think about making a shaped card. You can definitely do that. Have fun with that base, so the mountains are just kind of in the background. I think that'd be really lovely. By 5 1/2. We're going to score that. And then I'm going to take the mountains. I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. And then I'll stamp it, but you can stamp and then cut it out however you prefer. Actually, I have a piece of paper that I can do this. Saving paper. I know I had a piece that would be perfect for this. So I'm going to cut that from there. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I have this piece. It's really great. And then I'm going to cut some of this tree line. I have this beautiful kind of sagey light, beautiful color. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to run that through. I'll be right back. Just gorgeous. I want to see how that kind of lines up on here. Alright, so like I said, it's about 5 inches wide. I just kind of want to play with that and see what we're going to be coming up with here. We'll see, maybe a little more tree line. Ooh, we have this guy. Maybe we'll pop it back in here somewhere. Cute. And then we have this. Okay, alright, let me grab some other papers, I'll be right back. So for my little kind of sun back there, I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I don't know that I'm going to do a matte layer behind this. Yeah. Okay, and then this gold, I'm going to run through this guy. Just have a gold frame, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I ran those guys through. And maybe he'll peek out behind here somewhere. I love the colors. Honestly, I would have that sticking out above it. That's kind of why I was thinking about making a shaped card. If you were to do that, all you have to do is fold over your paper just like this, and then put your die at the very edge. And then you have a card that's shaped, right? Okay, so I have a few things here cut. I did grab some paper because I think I'll do a sentiment on this creamy colored paper, so we'll do that in just a moment. And our stamping. So we have our stamps here. Again, you can do the tippy tops. You don't have to. I mean, if you want to use this, it looks really pretty nice and clean too. But whatever you want to do. I think I'm just going to go for it because you know how I am. So let's take that. And I want to do some gray ink. Just a little something. So I'm just going to use this fog. I know it's going to be very light, and that's what I'll do. So let me just take that. So I'm just going to do it one time, and that's what it will be there. And right about here. Okay. Yeah, just a little accent on that. Very cool. Alright, we have that. We have this. I think I will do my sentiment. Let me clean up a little bit, guys. So how about... Ooh, these are all so sweet. I love this. Oh my goodness, they're all so good. Let's do this one, Sending You Mountains of Love. And I'm just going to use this guy, even though I should probably switch that out. And again, it's going to look distressed. On top of that, I am using a water-based ink on an acrylic stamp, so it's going to be especially distressy, especially if I just go for it one time. But if you want to put this on a stamp positioner, of course you can cut it. You can stamp it a couple times. Very cool. And if this guy's here, what I'm thinking is of just adding some of the little flowers here and there. So just going to use a simple card, and these little guys are just going to kind of pop in from back here. So like a purple and a little lavender. And I'm going to get a smaller stamping tool and just add that in here and there. And already in purple, that way the color's just there. So let's something there, maybe a little more here, a little bit coming in here, because this is going to cut out like that. And so I just want those little guys kind of in there. Maybe something more like this. Okay, I think that's plenty. I mean, if you really want to fill it in, I guess we can add another one like here. Okay, so I'm going to tape that down and run that through, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let's bring this all together. Put it out carefully. Cute. Love the distress look. Really, really nice. I will say, and I love this about this, is that if this is layering, because that's basically what we're doing, Die Press made this, the one in the back, a little bit smaller from left to right so that it doesn't compete, you know, which I love that. So smart. I think I'm going to bring this all the way down here and just center it left and right. So if you want to do another tree line, of course cut more, add another tree line. I wanted to see if this is completely flat at the bottom, or how do I do that? Okay. Let's come in with a few different things. A little sun, kind of all the way up so that you see it pretty well. I'm debating if I'm going to put that flat down or up a little bit more. Let's bring that up a little bit higher. And maybe that can be like there. Okay. So I'm just going to glue these guys together. Inking, all those fun things, distressing that people like to do. go for it. I'm going to line these guys up together at the bottom. I'll leave a little bit of room. I'm just going left and right. I'm going to hold that down for just a second. I'll be right back. A little bit closer. I really love the look of this. And then I'm just going to nestle this inside of this. And I was going to put it right in the center, but you know what? Why don't we do something fun? Since we're doing all kinds of different things here, let's put this over here. So maybe I should do this first. Oh, you're going to be cute too. Again, we're doing some different, trying out some fun things here, is to then pop this up on dimensionals so you have that gold, but then this is up a little higher. Let's do that. Okay, I'm going to hold that down. I'm going to put some low profile dimensionals on this one, okay? And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I put some low profile dimensionals on that one, and I think that just is really cute. So yeah, just a really clean, serene, beautiful card. Love everything on here. I mean, there's so much more to do with it if you would like. Again, just making a complete, you know, like landscape portrait background, you know, scene. Really, really lovely. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks so much, Diamond Press, for sending these items for review. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box. The little wind, so cute. Yeah, so I'll have all those things there for you, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.